Okay, so last time we were picking up the data that's sitting on our own machine, a JSON file, by hitting an HTTP server running on port 8080 from a NodeExpress server running on port 9081. Now what I want to do is I'm going to replace this HTTP server by the Boston City server. So now this is something out there on the web, not under our control, but I want to hit it to retrieve this file. So I happen to know, let's go back to our code, that we have a file called test.js, and if I look at the path now, MIT, when I hit the path MIT, this time I'm going to go out to this machine. So I checked this before, and this, if we hit this machine with this path, it'll give us the JSON file. And then what we're going to do that filtering, and let me just quickly look at that filtering. So at the end here, we're going to call filter on the array. I know the structure of this, so I get this object data, and it happens to have a property data, call data. I probably shouldn't use the same name twice, but it's okay. And so now my array is pointed, this is an array, and I can call the filter method on that array, and I pass it my filter, which is a function. And all that function does is it's going to pass salaries bigger than 400,000. So I think there's only one in the data set, but it's going to check each row and check the column 18. Okay, so we're now hitting the Boston City server. Let's go into debug and run this. So okay, the debugger is listening now on port 9081. Let's bring up a new window here, and we'll go to localhost 9081. Oops, 9081. Gives us a lucky number. And now when I hit the root MIT, okay, perfect. It's gone out. This person earned 403,000. Yeah, we were picking out people over that of 400,000, and it's returned 1 to us. So this time we hit the external website. So that's pretty good. So now our code, we're ready to take the next step. Let's see, we just did this where our NodeExpress was running on MIT as well, but we hit the external Boston City data. Now we want to take the next step and move this server onto AWS.